Hello everyone! Today we will briefly discuss the second part of the series of common phrases and words in everyday Greek. If you like this type of lessons, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Enjoy the lesson. Kalimera, which means good morning. We usually use it until 12 o'clock.
Καλημέρα.
In the previous video you heard the version Harika. Now you will hear Heropoli. They both mean the same, nice to meet you, so you can choose the version you prefer.
Χαίρομαι πολύ.
Σε παρακαλώ or σας παρακαλώ. Σε παρακαλώ is used when talking to one person informally, and σας παρακαλώ is used when talking to one person formally or when talking to two or more people. They both mean please in English. So in case you want to ask for a favor politely, you can use these phrases.
Σε παρακαλώ.
The following phrase is very useful when we want to point out some problem. Το θέμα είναι ότι, which means the thing is or the problem is. For example, the thing is that I don't like it. Το θέμα είναι ότι δεν μου αρέσει. Now, let's hear the phrase.
Το θέμα είναι ότι
Εντάξει, which means okay, alright. Εντάξει.
εντάξει.
Θα το σκεφτώ, which means I'll think about it. Θα το σκεφτώ. So this is the future simple tense of the verb σκέφτομαι, which means to think or to consider. So I can ask you, for example, θέλεις να πάμε σινεμά? And you're not sure because you're tired. And you can answer to me, θα το σκεφτώ, which means I'll think about it. I'm not sure.
Θα το σκεφτώ.
Δεν έχω ιδέα, which means I have no idea. So you may use it instead of δεν ξέρω, which means I don't know.
Δεν έχω ιδέα.
And the last one for today is όχι, which means no.
Όχι.
I really hope that this lesson was useful for you. If so, you can like the video because you will help me a lot. If you also want to be notified whenever I upload new videos, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell too. I really appreciate your support. Thank you and see you next time.